Right, catch up with you inside. Good morning, it's 11 o'clock. So it's a 36 volt, 800 watt, what I thought was 1000 watt. Well, it's not. 800 watt wooden electric go-kart project. So I've been doing stuff this morning. I've measured up this and cut this, right? And it goes on here like this. Just line it up. Goes on there like that, and it's front part of the seat. So I've got this bracket here, some screws, gonna screw it at the back here. Right, so it's screwed on. There's an hole there that the first bolt goes through, if you can see the washer, but it's got a bracket there, really firm. So the seat's going to be 10 inches wide. I'm going to do the back bit now, and I'm having these like this. One there, and one there, and one there, like that. And that's going to be the backrest. So you can see the seat's going to be big enough. That's the backrest fitted. Just got to cut the board for it now. I'm going to get some breakfast and a brew. Well, really it's dinner time, but hungry. Okay, so I've painted the beam. Painted it in acrylic, black acrylic that I mixed myself. I used acrylic because I'm painting indoors. I've got asthma. I don't want my fumes making me cough. And yeah, so I mix my own acrylic. And if you mix it correctly, it'll set like plastic, like a plastic layer. Not a dead fit layer, a thin layer, but it'll set like plastic. Let the paint dry. Right, it's now 1:30, so I spent some hours on this, but that's the seat done. Just needs sanding and varnishing now. I've sanded the top of it. If you can see, I'm holding it too close. Sanded the top of it. It's fitted at an angle, as you can see, and the bottom's at an angle. The bottom needs sanding, but yeah, it's really firm. Yeah, let's get it sanded. But first of all, I need a brew. I'm gagging. I wonder. Just needs cutting down slightly. Now, I shouldn't really cut it up, I should be kneeling on it, but I think it'd be pretty cool. It's really spongy, some sort of like memory foam, I don't know. Yeah, let's do it. So, instead of sanding all that wood with a rubbish piece of sandpaper that I've not got any more. The foam seat worked brilliant, so here it is. Bit rough along there where I've cut it with my kitchen knife, ripped it a little bit but glued it, but that is really comfy. So have a look at the back of it. Just going to paint this black. DIY dog, aren't you? Right, I've stripped the seat off and I've sanded it. Even though it's got the foam on, this is its back bit, goes up my back like that, so I want to varnish it, want it nice wood. This is the bottom, rounded the edges off, sort all the edges off and just sanded the edges round. So that's the bottom of it, that's the top, covered by foam anyway. Right, get the dust up off the balcony and get varnished, and I can take the dog another walk then. Right, I've got all the dust up on the balcony, vac the carpet. Again, I just seem to make a mess, tidy up, next day, make a mess, tidy up, and it goes on like that. So, I'm just waiting for the wood to dry, that are varnished. So, I'm going to my dad's for my tea, so I'll do the rest later. Mixed grill, here I come. have lots of wheeze marking his territory. Come on. All the rubbish. Disgraceful. Right, so I'm back from my dad's and had my mixed grill. It was bang on. The varnish is dried. Right, let's fit the foam back on. Right, so that's the foam fitted on my seat. So today you've watched me do the seat, and tomorrow I'm going to do the steering, do some tweaks on Saturday, and it'll probably be Sunday when I'm riding it. So I'll have to check the weather, see what it's like. But you've been watching 36 volt, 800 watt, electric wooden go-kart. Okay, so it's really grey outside, so I'm going to end with a time lapse. Bye.